umuntu ongizondayo like ungizona yo abonisa abantu ithombe zabo athi what's this lapho mawuyabheka yo amangene ngithi
Ucho ngabereka ucho mno opi
ucho mi beka le ku DJ Zexi
aza phakamize nokubani wena
dinelo lesimhlophe
bathi Tom iPVT
asikana ba breaker
ebalekile
okay asikana ba fitting breaker
usishayile manje
yeah so another
usishayile stila manje like
ushayibani
chema kushange stina area mas nomfana you guys have been texting each other by DJ
Welcome to Kasi Gay Stories, episode 14, where we'll be giving you an update of our daily lives, guys. One thing you should do, guys, you better click that subscribe button. Hashtag Sitole Haimina on YouTube. Our girls, let's give y'all an intro, my girl.
Hey guys, it's popping. It's a go. Obi White, Obi O'Brien. The one second, my mic. The most talked about gay guys.
That's what's up, babe.
Hi Kelly, I'm Charlie Adrian. Hey guys, it's okay, Nelly.
Hi guys, very gay kid.
Yeah. So guys, we're back again. So basically this time, guys, we're switching it up. Hey, we're about to give you like a close-up on reality that we've been facing, right? So lately there's been stuff that have been going on around the globe. As we know, guys, every day there's something new. Is it a trend about do they say things, you know? So we've discovered that there's new rules that have been set in the United States. Okay, so basically what they have done, they have eliminated the other identities to only put male and male and female genders only. Excuse me. So I want to find out, guys, what you guys think about that. Anyways, you don't gotta cut it because yes. So what do you think? What's your view on that, Tommy? What do you think about that, guys? What do you think about that? Why are they not allowing us to be ourselves in J?
Yeah, really.
Identify how we want. So basically, guys, what I wanted to know from my friends is that what are their views on this? Because it's not okay, guys. Donald Trump is hurting our community. So in J, thank you guys, guys. Ni feel
So ntubuza chumne why is kanjani ukuthi like ama gay ma transgender
no like into bahlupha ngayo ukuthi like yabona amabele angithi ngamabele when I transition I have breasts, so mangabe I look like a woman and my body looks physically like a woman and I feel like a woman, you know, I even from birth I didn't feel like that. You understand? So mawe gay from transition, we are transitioning into amabele but awufuna ukuthi bathi gay ngoba sona amabele angithi. So you wanna be trans, so you identify more for women than a man.
Okay, so like gender khona ama trans not ama gay.
Not I'm a gay specifically. I'm a trans. Yes, I'm a trans because you know amabele bazokufaka ku section yama male. We trans. Phela ma gay you identify under male because it's a sexuality, right? Transgender we as on our transgender.
Yes, I understand that.
Yes. So when Anje we trans to feel kanjani makuthiwa transgender. Yeah. The ID phela iyachange. Female. You can change it. They have a choice to change it. But you have but not trans, you can put female. You can put female. There's male and female.
When we trans
but in a section yakho. But manje into abakwenza yona bakufaka phakathi kwamadoda. Unempela umuhle ikhevi.
Hayi yona i-wrong vele.
Bayokwenzani?
Yo. Engisaphazi.
Yo! Uyaunderstand? Ibhlungu guys.
I-wrong vele.
You understand? I-wrong shame. Thomi ucabanga ayibo. Uyizwa kanjani le?
And how the idea because it's female. and we trans and I demand female phela you a woman angisho change so nje there is no ayikho ukuthi bazobeka kuma mail le ID yakho phela information yakho le information yakho lapho ke
So ama anasexual ayakuyiphi?
But in terms of we explain it like even one thing I want to explain to you is that as a person you have your right? When you right as a person manje, the reason why there's different choices and even in most companies or in most places when you sign a contract there's more than one selections of your identity. You have male, you have female, you have prefer not to say, you have then you have other. Other you can add the way you identify. You know what I mean? So when you go to Home Affairs, you might not change your ID to female, but you have the choice to. Do you understand? Une right to again mangabe like ufila ngati manje you are not male, you are female. You can't do that, you know? Even though some people they don't believe that it's a thing that's valid or it's a thing that's normal. But when you cut me, I bleed red blood. You understand? So it doesn't change me as a person, but like when you wanna like it's just how I identify. Male, female, trans, cisgender. You understand? There are differences in between to answer your question. Because I'm going to question and yeah. So we can continue and add on to what you guys. How do you guys feel? Nelly, you haven't given us your view, so we'd like that. I guess you would see when you come and Nelly. You was my back Nelly. Emotional. But we understand. Raven.
Okay, Chum, like I need to bazokuthola maybe like identity yakho maybe ID. It's male, then when we trans. Should maybe I need to obvious say yeah, my male.
Yeah.
Obvious I'm a male as abusive. Yeah. Azofuna wena ukuthi ube isitoko sabo
bonke
because umfazi wakhona lapha
you that's a fact. Thank you. She deserves clicks. That's a beautiful view. Guys, what do you guys think about it? Guys, you haven't got your view?
Guys, I think this view is like yeah. So yeah, guys, I think because I still see Sharaka.
For life. Ufila kanjani ngalokho like how do you feel like mawicabanga njani leyo ungabheka ubumnandi bayo ukuthi uyisitoko hayibo stoko kanjani ngisejele
nginyukhaba ngiyadlala
But if we
uzofila kanjani manje sikhathi ID yakho ayikashintshi I don't know.
I need to maybe change it. If maybe we change it, and you wanna change it, you're gonna change it. If I never will change it, you have face it. I can't when I change.
Yeah. It basically like that. Honestly, she's right. So it's a crazy world out there, guys. It's a crazy world. But you know, Ujobia to Raven hasn't been with us for a very long time. So you guys, you better, girl, we need an update. We need an update, girl. What has been going on? Chala 16 Chala.
Guys, man.
That's what's up.
So my boyfriend has been keeping me busy, podcast podcast, Bad game, really, it's so bad. I'm anything. Yeah, my boyfriend guys has been keeping me busy.
Yeah, boyfriend.
Yeah, that's beautiful. You know, it's great, guys. You know, we are experiencing new relationships. It's a new year, right? So yeah, but we're happy for Raven. Can we just give her a round of applause? But tell me, what do we need from you? It's to be with us every time, girl, because we miss you. Your man child, the man gotta understand that you gotta do protocol.
Even the Facebook have to understand.
Exactly.
Content.
No, besides, we are happy that she's in a relationship. You know?
Instagram, guys.
Not everyone is, you know. You know. Hey, you guys, yeah, as you've heard, it's a very beautiful thing to.
Apple man fixed that.
God, I'm a
Guys, mawisa ba nwe free?
Yo.
Pechu wa Bogoto ke sana.
Ube khotho nje.
Ayo ngadlele mathwaile.
Yeah.
Ngadlele mathwaile my love. Don't do that.
Hey, kuzu. Okay, but we're gonna talk about that. We definitely gonna talk about that. We're gonna talk about that. So, my nails. Sorry. So guys, we're gonna talk about that. So, yeah, we are happy for Raven. She's in a new relationship. She's a gone girl. Can you see the beauty? Can you please just zoom in on that beauty? Zoom in on it. Zoom on it. Feed on it. Feed on it. Don't feed on it. I hope that camera zooming right there. Check.
She's gone. Make sure you.
Yeah, that's not her right there.
I'm Shay.
So I'm grateful, guys. I'm so grateful that we are receiving what what we want. We are happy in a relationship. We can see the glow.
Ushay is
Yeah. So another update.
Ushay is still a man.
Chimangshang is clean. Every must don't find that you guys have been texting each other by DJ.
Okay. Juicy. What's the root of my joke?
Ngizokutshela not on camera.
Okay.
Tell my number on Facebook. I'm sure.
No, I'm telling you. No. I'm opportunities.
No, like
text la pana. I'm
maybe like you guys have been texting each other on Facebook. And guys in Frangan. Never met. You guys weren't dating. You were just playing around.
Hello! Okay.
So khona mina manje.
The main chick dog. Chomi babonisa umuntu ozongena iring. Ngicela babonisa umuntu. Babonisa Chomi lo ozongena iring. Chomi isho ukuthi awukuna umshado. Babonisa umuntu.
propose girl.
Sase ayibona.
Valentine.
Maro umshado kusalayo. Anyway, so guys, we've heard about that. So we got another thing we gotta talk about, guys. I got a venture as well. So as we're talking about us doing things, I got a venture. There's something I'm exploring right now. It's promoting, my girls. We went to Zone 6 venue, but unfortunately, because so we went out to an event I was promoting, Zone 6 venue. It's a beautiful place, guys. It's a beautiful place. Oh my god. So what I just want you guys to do, please. Guys, Instagram, Facebook, I just want to know from my girls who's in job. Interesting. Or interesting. Okay. Bara huge. Okay. No, not basically what she means, but she just, but guys, it was nice. Opie, how did you feel about the experience yesterday?
They go on, guys. They go hot. Even you ishapu, yeah, baba. You days. So la guys, Vele nawe make sure ukuthi outfit you are on.
Facts.
And laphana I noticed me like
sexy. Ungadlali nabo. Mele make sure ukuthi nje ugezela lokuthi awugezi kuphela uyakhuhla. Yini ebamba ama-orange isaka uthi rhuhluhu yabona phayana sengithithile ngithi phela esengiyabenzela abaphethe irhuhluhluhlu. So yeah, you guys are more than welcome to join us next time. I am gonna tell you like basically on Fridays, let's say Fridays or Saturdays, you know, I'll let you know, guys. I will keep on posting on my socials, on Yonela Paddy, Facebook, you know, I'll tell you, I'll post on my story, I might post a poster, like as a picture, as a post, an actual post, weekly. I might do that now, just so you guys can be able to join us, you know, participate, see us live, you know, girl, we dance, chat, we're gonna give you a movie. You gotta be there. You ain't gotta miss it, you know. So, you guys, Saturday manjuti, like, nizokwazi pull through, guys. You know, like nibe nati. You understand, guys? Let them enjoy the experience. You understand? So yeah. So okay. Out of that, so we gotta talk about chat. We gotta talk about something else, chat. Guys, nifuna ukuthi njengoba guys njengoba sishuta le content nithi le ndaba ukuthi njengoba sitrenda kangaka ama comments ngene wabona ngene wabona driven ubabona ama comments
yo
batrigana ha why so
batrigana kanjani
besides don't trigger
kuma le days live
what's it
look at all over.
Yeah, I feel like haters, we should expect them, you know, because umuntu uyazikhuphula and ukuzikhuphula kwakho, you are gonna have people that are hating you. Yeah,
the haters are in our DMs.
Yeah,
sasa mase expose lesibathi thina sikhuluma
bathi ukhuluma kakhulu ya or bathi usile or babe nenkinga. So guys, you please fix your attitude, guys. If you don't like the content,
don't watch
swipe her. Swipe her. Scroll nje uthi ungalokwenza into eyiningi because we feel like for some reason it's unnecessary for you to comment on something you don't even entertain. If you don't like it, pause. Like unblock. You understand? Angidingi ukubukelwa uwe ngoba unenkinga. You understand?
Every day.
Exactly, chomi, you know. So akumelanga, guys, akumelanga. Le nto leyo I feel like mina for mina ayiyehlisi confidence iyayikhuphula because ngiyazini ukuthi I have haters. And when you mawukhuphuka, what do you get?
Promotions.
Animamelanga. Ngithi mawukhuphuka you get haters. I wanted to hear ukuthi ngimamela sho fana mamelanga.
Mawukhuphuka. Oh, okay.
So let's talk about the comments. Asiphathe kanjani ama comments? Ngiphathe kahle mina.
Ama comments, yo guys, yo believe me when I say we guys see the comments. Siyabona ama comments wenu ile ukuthi nje you guys are baningi. Angisikhona ukuphendula wonke umuntu ayikuthi senza ama celebrity no. Baningi.
Mina abanye inbox.
Yeah, ngapha kuma inbox you guys are there. Siyabona but then you know it is what it is.
Kuningi.
Okay. So yeah, facts. So yeah, guys, mina ma comments, hey, mina hide, delete her, block her. You know, I'm that bitch. I don't entertain negative energy. I want us to be positive all the time. I want people to be happy. I don't like seriousness. I hate it, and I hate the fact that most of the time the comments, they're so demeaning to a point whereby now we are supposed to like lo muntu lona ozobhala lento ku comment yami yini emxakile empilweni mawubheka profile picture impunga fake account or like yini buti uxakwe yini like awunabantwana like yini or uselanjini bakudinile ama customer
yazi into edina yini like umuntu atreke ne
chomi
profile beka isithombe sakho
yabona ke into engiyisabayo yabona mangabe ngizophendula that person I don't know who it is
mina ngiphendula yazi xa uthi uwe chomi yazi
Mina. Hayi ngine-account eyi-one. Yonela
umuntu lonke wonke umuntu ku-inbox.
Uyayibonakala
Ukuthi
uyayihlaza nje.
And nje uma umphendulile yazi like lana ungitextile and like into ayenzayo uyakhomenta ne like ngike ngabona bakana profile picture yakho. Mina I thought it's someone who's not here.
Who's not here?
Yes, I thought it's someone.
as if.
No, I'm going to Wi-Fi.
Don't be simply bold.
Mina I thought it's someone.
Okay.
You know who I thought it was? I mean, I thought it was one of us because I saw the writing. Ukuthi,
Obvious. If
It's
it's
not-
not better, it's
you know. So that's one thing I was like about. Okay, what if And then mina ngisomuntu ukuthi mangabe ucommente into enhle ngidlule kanjani,
Yeah.
You understand? Angikwazi ukudlula ngizoyilava or ngibe ne-comment or something, you understand? But
Some emoji nje like.
you understand, ngifaka ama-emoji kuphela angenzi into ey'ningi, you understand? But nje i-consistency iyafuneka and nakhona, because the content esiyipostayo hayi guys kumele siyiphusheni,
Ma.
hayi kumele siyiphusheni guys, phela kumele sitholene ama-Wi-Fi idatha okokuqala and kumele mangabe iquality phela iquality be-right ukuthi nani manibukela ni-enjoy nibone ukuthi ukuthi bayazweka.
Sharp.
Yebo, ne-live kumele babone ukuthi mase online
Abantu abathanda ucomment
Yeah,
ukuthi sibe live ku TikTok, guys.
but it's live with TikTok. So I'm live with TikTok and we can start soon. But one thing we're thinking about opening our own page, like Isipale Eitabeni, where we can post the content lana si sonke corner. Nicabanga kanjani, nibona kanjani? Ukuthi Raven wasn't there. So actually let's brief Raven, guys, because we talked about it, right? Let's tell her our views about it. So Eitabeni, that group you told me, it's a group whereby ukwabona ukuthi most of the time shoot sonke. Not ukumuntu uzoposta like into efanayo angithi. So into engenzela ukuthi Eitabeni into esingenza ngayo singenza like maybe one video or lezo ithombe sihlangane sonke sisiposte laphayana. Then mangabe wena nento separate ofuna ukuyipost account yakho. If an idea ofuna ukuyiposta nathi, or if you want to shoot a video with us, you want to be the like ufuna ukuyibegin video njalo, you can post it on your account. But then where we are like as a group, we can have like our own page where we can also promote our YouTube channel, which you are watching on. It would be a good thing, it's a good venture, it's a good start. I think we could grow it into something, because as you can see, Masisonke, the views, they are there, the likes, they are there, you understand? The people, they are starting to love us, they're starting to become comfortable with the fact that, okay, mang scroll like a page, you know what I mean? So I feel like if we had the page, but we should have a manager for the page, one of us can manage the page, but the manager your page has to ensure weekly we have like 3 to 4 posts.
Can't it as night?
We have access, but then I need to go about a manager who's going to post from different phones because of quality, you know what I mean?
Manager like group or
Singa manager ama video mhlawumbe mangabe sisende group yini uopa nga manage or mina nga manager cause ngiphethe phone there, you know what I mean? Like managing post like the actual any la the juge, so we can see where that takes us. But then it's a good thing. What do you guys think about it? How is it though? How does it look for you, Ruben?
No, for now, I feel like for now, and like especially content like page is making.
Yeah, it's just an idea, but then it would be a good thing. You know why?
For now, we have to do it.
Exactly. And the little page, we'll bio, it has our separate accounts. Imagine. You understand? And then as a group, we could do what Birth of Stars are doing. But we can make a reality show. Simo, I need to like get like we are going to get change. We not go to Simo, but we also invite other people to join us.
Show me Asikomo.
No, guests. You know what?
They guests. They not Eitabeni, they guests. and it needs to stick to that.
Yeah.
Angeke phela solo sifaka.
Yebo.
Yo ha.
Accommodate umuntu.
Yes.
Ngela chips. Oh, okay.
So,
Ngela chips. Oh, okay.
so the idea benizwe like we beat guys. Who said that before? Like we system 8
No,
It
that's
has to be
for
the
me.
last time.
8,000. Okay, mine is 8,000 for you. What comes in mind?
What comes in your mind? What's 8
Mina. Mina, what comes to my mind is us, the 5 of us.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. For me, when I say 8,000, when I heard 8,000 gaga, I had I didn't just include us. I included everyone. Like
It's a movement.
it's a movement. Whoever wants to join is comfortable to join.
more than welcome.
More than welcome. It's not choose the good Tina say for
No, I it's like
Besides
4
that-
gates. I think it's 2 gates.
Besides that, so what happens if I need to have 5 and we're not in I would see choose. Imagine if we post and it trends and so it's Amaki 25 wanna be as one of us. But by 25 we already 5 30. And like that's a lot, honestly.
No, that's what I'm saying. Guests.
That's a lot.
That's what I said.
Yeah, uti no, like
It's a
Not
movement.
true, yeah,
we are
like,
inviting the people
yeah.
to join us in like in terms of
abaningi abahlali
ubabona abanye abahlali you understand
so
noma senze
umuntu uza
content
namhlanje kusasa
Yeah,
ngasese
yeah.
kusasa kuzomunye futhi naye siyamfaka
Yabo.
kusasa
Yeah,
yabo
So, like,
uzothini
so-
ama viewers ayobhoreka
yeah
Oh,
honestly.
so, it's like scheme 8,000.
not like a scheme but
Like,
then it's a
like-
group like we have to group ourselves ukuthi
No,
siyazi
I
ukuthi
need to Tina where
the people that
8,000
stay
in it. Then
constant.
lababazayo, they can also want to be in because I'm video with different people sometimes on the videos, right? But those
And
people
yeah,
also want
if-
to be in the video.
sathi video bese akekho uthola ukuthi ama viewers amthandile kusasa
Bayacomment.
uyacomment ubani bani
yeah
It's a long
injalo
so imagine if
Yeah.
abantu bathi different why bathi ukuthi okay
Okay.
okay watengihasa
but to me
like at
it's
all
that's what I was saying consistency into ehluphayo ukuthi njalo kuzoba khona ushodayo yabona inkinga leyo maningathatha ukubheka angikaze ngisho ngeke ngashoda mina ku content esiposta online
chumsisa short yebo
ngithi ukuthi like content esiposta online like
Hey,
kumaku no like ama video wethu ngeke ngashoda mina noma la ma video trend yapostwa yimi
chomi ungakhuluma ngala ungithi uke washota it's just that
no
DJ.
I'm just saying ukuthi like mele sibe consistent like sibe sivele njalo do you know what I mean page urevenue abekhona njalo uada abekhona njalo unela abekhona njalo oba abekhona njalo you understand what no when uhlezi into engisho u-consistent u-consistent when I wash die sometimes
Always.
Wow, it's always imagine that.
always
You guys can maybe choose between my boyfriend and the podcast. And
no we're not making it true
You making it
But
true.
so,
Tell about
Chomi.
Iburoto.
Uroto bang. What am I kidding?
Bari kire di deal. Kire di promotion in. Chomi when a boyfriend. Uroto.
Ndoda bang. Yeah.
Sasa. Ngeke. Kampane ngabi nandota sisi. Kampane ngabi nandota. Ubani?
Yes.
Kaburoto baka.
Guys, when I feel me, I think if you lie, yo. Umfana ngelisa.
Umfana ngakwanelisa.
Break again.
Chomi bheka. Yayibona ukuthi umfana yakwanelisa. Umfana ngakwanelisa lechomi. Bathi mawubhekile wena impilo yakho. Okay. Yayibona ukuthi umfana yakwanelisa. Umfana ngakwanelisa lechomi. Bathi mawubhekile wena impilo yakho. Impilo yakho yonke. Ngicela ukuthi wena impilo yakho uzokukhona impilo yakho.
Hayibo uphi lo waphi?
Awufuni wena ukuzivula wena inyama. Wait. Okay. Okay guys, yeah. Okay.
Bathi Chomi iphi vision?
Asikana bathi breaker. Asikana bathi
Ibalekile.
Okay. Asikana bathi breaker.
Ibadini
Wamthengisela shuma.
Angithengisalanga next nomfana
Yo.
ilokuthi nje manje like mangimbheka he's not my type. Ngenza mistake lapha because you know what happened, I was dating him bese kwafika loya lo besimlwela
Hayi,
makafika loyo was my type ne ngavela ngabona ukuthi nje laphaya yazini hayi ukuthi player like mistake mina anginathi gym breaker yini gym kahle
Breakile la why?
yes okay please athi ungasaphinde ngibuze nge-gym break ungazongidina
Okay.
Mara mina bengisabuza ukuthi wena awufuna ngokwakho. Don't you want to grow?
Chemi yam grow mara khona abanye abantu la kule group le amamenemene abafuna ukupromote ama-account ethu abafuni nje yazi siyatrenda ne listen we trending ne ngiyaposta you guys are not going to share mara thina we doing the hello
Do not share.
Share
Do
what?
not share.
Do you guys share? Oh, did you share?
We do share.
Did you share?
We do share. Girl, I do share. You can go through my profile. I do share.
Don't do that.
And the fact I'm the one who's posting us and I tag all of you guys don't accept my collaboration first of all. Niyeke libe tag. I-collaboration siyabangani.
Mina ngiyashare. Mina noma ngingekho ngiyakwazi ukuposta ukuthi ngithola ama-viewers
But senza leyo nto leyo angithi. I feel
do it.
I feel
Nenza ama-show angaki lawo engingawapostanga nini nonke mina ngingekho nina you guys
ukuphi
bengekho
wenzani.
but I was able to post. You guys unpost no poster. Story was supposed to complain ukuthi no guys please do this and do this because ngiyabona Raven naye akekho mara uyaposta. You guys don't how am I going to get up there?
In terms of
And then you guys are going to tell me content. Yeah, I'm creating content but I'll post the content. What content?
Okay,
I'm creating?
you know in terms of that, I feel like for some reason, did you see what I posted on my account? Did you see the trailer I posted? Did you see what I sent in the group? We were nearly every day. It's the best part on it. And it's the part whereby they are going to attract people on it. And it's the part in and it's set together to make it a trailer. I don't like it to be long. Go visit the akube i-trailer bayirhalele ukuthi bangene you understand ubhutisithole bekayenzani bekasenda ivideo ukhuluma 30 seconds uyakhuluma you understand ayichange ayenzi into beyenza ngakhona lokuthi vum kuvele omunye umuntu vum at the end subscribe be size real ngizothi fast Facebook yabona ku 20k each account it's growth. You know, it's something you have to work on it. You know, we cannot just post something a sentence to one. I be a trailer. That's what I was saying. Trailer. That's what like in the beginning explain the trailer. You understand? You need to make it mix the best part, make it into one. Let it be 1 minute or 1 minute 30 minutes. You know, it's a podcast.
30 minutes.
Let's advertise. No, 1 minute 30 minutes. 1 minute or 1 minute 30 minutes. Like, you understand? It's a podcast. We should advertise it more. We should show it out more to the world, you know? We should be able to post it. But then if you're not comfortable in a place, or if you want to la angpayanga attention, or la big up, yambon, sakati. Let's post the trailer. You understand? Na camera. Na umuntu okhulumayo. Wena ubheke in ipin.
Zokubizela ama-followers.
Anye, you understand? Focus. Ukubona as much as them ngihlala so mara ngilo ngithe mawangibhekile ngithe ngimamele angiyenza into yami simamelane. We understand. That's another thing we need to talk about. Promote already. Njengoba ukona kuma video unathi i-promotion leyo ngokwayo.
Mara chemi
ngokwayo
this videos me it's truly speaking. The comments as in party kahle and ngifile ngathi wa we shoot umuntu belasibheki ukuthi unjani because the last time yabona makithi so ukwatele ukuthi yena sometimes akaveli kahle so kumla time usende yeah grouping athi no ungayipost so I think everybody should just because that umuntu asibheke
mara that's what Yonela does. Yonela uqala enzeni asisendele ecala siyibone ukuthi kwenzakalani bese wena you can approve ukuthi yeah it's fine and uyenzani umela thina sonke siphelile ukuthi yeah it's fine posted because ngiyakhuluma ngale angithi wenzani wasenda wathi nena no you can't post it because wow yabo yeah
azangiyipost
So nje yena angazi ukuthi kodwa and then we speculating on her lives. Girl. Yeah. I know young.
Akazida itopic. Alokathe party. Actually. Webona le.
Stop honestly. I would simkhuluma kabi asimkhulumi kabi.
Ungaphilize
asimkhulumi kabi. I need you wanna keep your distance. Keep it. As we are going to run around you.
Don't watch our moves. Don't watch what we do. Don't because manje kanjalo uzilimaza wenzela ukuthi uphinde usitext futhi.
Yes,
uyahlabeka. Angazi nihlabayo. Mangabe
impilo like
impilo like
and it's didn't fight with you. I have to stop behaving your age.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
exactly.
Okay.
So besides that, as friend
sharp I saw one of abanye abantu nje abangangithandi. Sekabangani mama name Nina 1 2 3 now don't post it PSK edition. Thank you, Choli.
Oh, okay.
Powerhouse.
Facebook man.
Okay, Powerhouse. Ah, okay. Thoughts or angers.
Ngilakile mina.
Na IT.
That's our comment. That's our comment. When I West, yes, Anna.
Isheri.
We share the Choli. John posted at a pretty gay station. Benza ni baktega when I share the whole thing. We don't share the sumbe sab. Send me screenshot. Listen.
Hey, I just put song.
No, okay. I post on Mina we don't care at all. Over Uharebos not even my name. Whatever. Send Lumunta friend request. Umbeke nakubayo. Bayo. Sharp.
Paribos. Now.
When I OP, I understand like how you're supposed to react, comment, share. Your relationship with that guy ended. The girlfriend. I told you about that, and what did I tell you? I'm not going to befriend her because of Umganga, and I understand if friendship needs, and I wouldn't do that because you're not me. Which Facebook,
I think into no gaily content.
Like I didn't have any beef with her. She's not Gurje. She's not. She's not the it
I did comment because like
you know why? I feel like okay, we should explain that it's not that this is one and I feel like for some reason you guys should find common ground. Us as gays fighting in Soweto, it doesn't make any sense, you know, because it's different. You understand? No man abe kunendoda, social ndoda eyi-one because abantu aba open bafew bheka. Ngicela understand ukuthi mina sibona kanjani. Ne. Ngiyazi ukuthi wena angeke uthande phela udelele wena. And futhi ukufikela ngani ngamasini. Na indoda yakhe imhlulela ngithi. So ulanda wena ngokuhlulela indoda yakhe. Nakhona if I say yakhe imhluleli, that's why I land away. You understand? Which lonto leyo Tommy, it shouldn't come to you as you shouldn't take it as a thing that's gonna offend you. You should just be like, you know what? It's a lesson. Let me move on to better men or to better people with better mentality.
Why I got offended? That's going to Yakumula Sansa Safika Pistol Sashuta and everyone was busy insulting the push house. Yes, that day the wiz. And it's Chigi say by a post I go. hayibo
Angitshela yibona
Njani? ngoba ngayibonanga
Hayi kuthi akayibonanga.
Usho kanjalo yena usho kanjalo ngoba
Mina, for me, now,
ngayibonanga
you know, let me speak on my side. For me, now, I was speaking on my side. For me, now, I was supporting my friend. You know what I was doing? I was supporting my friend because I was angry at the fact that angeke uzonyela umngani wami ngenxa yomfana.
Yes.
On a live.
On live. Ufuna Facebook ibukele yo.
yazi wenzani ulanda neyithombe zami wenza so kwi-live
Uyabona? Which is
bese
wrong there.
adi
Sure.
Audi
Athamzala.
ungathi yamzala
Okay, so
I
what
didn't
did we
befriend
do?
your ex-boyfriend's girlfriend because you're my friend. One
Yeah.
text to get along the way. Also, they just we're going to be friends. And I was like, oh, this is my friend. I didn't get kanjani. Hi, chiki. Nangumuntu ongizondayo. It's like ongizona. Yo, abonisa abantu ithombe zami. Athi what's this? Lapha mawuthi uyabheka. Yo, amangene ngithi it is what it is, guys.
Okay, Mara,
I see no
But
fish.
what I speak about is that, guys, I feel like Raven, you should move on. In this year, I feel like that
I was not in a relationship with that boy. That's the thing.
Yeah.
Lo mfana uyangikhashela, uyangifuna like yo uyangifuna lo mfana lo. Yo uyangifuna. And like ngamtshela girl, ngathi I'm not busy with him. Bayenza content yabo and into engithina ukuthi wayenza content ne. After obvious angithi yazi mos maqoqa ukuposta so trenda ama viewers angithi asenzani ayakhuphuka. Ubona kahle ukuthi uzobhekisa ngo Raven. Lapho yena beka shoot content kuvela ama balls. Azange sikhulume, azange sibe. Ngamtshela ngathi I'm not busy with your man. Umuntu wakho sangitexta. Nakhona ungitext ungitshela ukuthi ufuna ukuthatha mina ku photoshoot yamahala ka Wenk. Mina ngeke ku photoshoot yamahala. Yo bese yena uzokuphaphela mina nendoda yakhe photoshoot yamahala. Bambize ezi +1 kuleyo photoshoot uzophaphela mina. Angangijwali kade.
Okay. Spicy, but what I wanted to say is I don't appreciate gays fighting. I feel like as gays, we should have the mentality whereby you're like, you know what, bitch, I'm gonna build myself up. Because if it's sodwa, siwisana sodwa. Cabanga umhlaba wonke is against the fact that we are ourselves. Masizolwa sodwa. We understand? Ungaba hey, as long as you don't die, you serious. Chomo, serious yandu atamafika we.
Mawungabheka nesithombe sakho ungakwata ngathi ayekho right akana nalento
So, Raven,
ma uyamlwela
mina advice yami kuwe chomi yini ukuthi yabona lapho dlula sisitha it's way below you yazo muhle kanjani yes says ingaphansi kwakhe nembona please ne nembona nakhona umfana ongena sense
ukhole disability
hawo
swaba yo
okay I say that I said umfana I didn't mention who
like vele
I didn't mention
yakhe ukayangithe ukayifuna ukudla imali yakhe nami
2000 yeah.
yo ene mina ngikho lapho semngonya ngibona semawu solo manje
shade
bese uzolwa like she was throwing shade and I mean like yo I throw the whole tree one day one package.
Okay, sorry for laughing. I'm sorry.
2000.
Okay. She's gonna throw the whole tree.
2K.
So
2K. Let disability. Imagine when the son of Montana bad, don't do that. Don't do that.
It's advantage.
We are monobuti his son on it because like I was no feel like Uti and he's gay. Mara the society abamazi as gay abamazi kungumfana so wenzeni okay angazi ukuthi bekahlabisa icontent yakhe boss okwenzakaleni ngoba bese ka busy every case DMs ukhona bese sithanda mina uthanda umuntu wakho my love don't do that you deserve better.
I'm too good for you.
Mela nje ajule nama type wakhe laba whole disability bonke angitaki.
Okay.
But I'm too good for you.
Okay.
Type yakhe cho.
Okay. Now getting muhle nyana yes.
Okay, no, I didn't say ha. Please cut that part out.
No,
I'll cut it next.
Okay.
Muhle.
Yeah, baba, my friend. Like ayekho movie, chuma ayekho movie. Like you're not bad.
isiphongo sana nisibonile ke.
Yo!
Jaws. Like the jawline, Jaws.
It's a go.
Basically, you're gonna fight a whole star.
Sorry. I ain't supposed to be doing that. I ain't supposed to be doing that. I told myself I'm gonna be chill. So
No, you're not
yeah,
sure.
guys, but so guys.
No, yeah, give me that G.
Okay, so today is spicy. Okay, today is spicy. So you guys. Okay, so basically, girl, we don't want this anymore. Please leave our friend alone. With her beauty, with her everything.
I would see as jail, Maranje.
Akazitsheli, but please leave.
Mama said the truth of Mama said.
Phuma kuye.
Yes, my young Agmela
Ne.
abanye abantu bafile
Hayi
small.
phuma kuye.
Even if she's not pretty and angeke ngenze kanjalo ukuthi like manje mele ukuthi manje umhlaba wonke wazi ukuthi uready muhle yena mubi ayekho mubi wonke umuntu uzibona muhle
Yeah. Injani. Yeah.
nami ngizibona muhle so that's why mina ngizokutshela ukuthi nje yawo angiyeki angiphapheli the space
Okay, I ain't gonna comment to that. Thank you, Pepe. I ain't gonna comment to that. Yeah, but we're trying to bring the peace back.
yeah mina nawe si sharp uhare boss nje is way
Yeah.
mawujela no hare boss
Yeah.
ayinjala
Ngicela udelete friend request yakho ke Butine. Please, cause
okay kusene usene lo wena
2 days ago.
Mina sifollow manje.
umuntu mina umuntu angisacabani
Manje
umuntu amuthi mina ngimjwayeza ngawe wena ungibeke kubhayo usendele umuntu anofriend request for what
For ubani? Nizile.
manje
This guy.
ngathi manje ngimjwayeza abantu abancane abafana
small baby.
Yo,
baby.
Choma kunende bayisabilisa ngavela ngaba ne-stress.
Tumsana nitho mina
Barumana.
Chumi yahola
Go right. To be honest, to be right. Like, now you're more like
Asizine. I hope niyangibona ne. Okay.
asikulungani
Ayikuthi kabine ngifuna ukubona bheka 2 days ago. Ngisasho wabela.
It's maybe not in the East. It's 2 days ago.
ngithi amsho kuma message nonke nyamazi
Nah, ngitho.
ayekho message request ngena lapho kuma message
Nah, 2 days ago.
Yingayi. Usibone evidweni zonke. Uyayibona?
beka message
Uyayibona?
lo chumi
Injani?
right land
New account.
Ubona influencer.
Small
896 followers.
mari influencer
Okay, asiteki lokho. Asiteki lokho.
silela lokho hello silela lokho anyeke nje 800 followers 895 followers mari influencer don't do that to yourself
Don't do that to yourself.
Smash, guys.
yo ngawujaja shem
Yo.
Ngawuthatha bophilo bakho kawufela.
No. Should be.
Acting new account then, guys.
ngisina makhata amaningi kanjani
Yo. Ngicela igaba lezi 6 venue nje bona bafana baqathi.
yeah and guys next week is my birthday
So, we're celebrating my friend's birthday next week. Y'all better come to my Guys, you better applaud my friend because she's birthday next week. Applaud.
guys
You know, we'll be dropping something and we'll be going out.
The content,
Guys,
yes,
I wanna let you know let me know if you drop it on Thursdays, right? Today's Thursday, right? We can drop it earlier.
Sunday.
Today's Sunday. I'm saying Guti, let video my drop. I need to drop Thursdays.
Thursdays.
Tomorrow. Zone 6 venue. If I drop it
Zone 6
Thursdays.
venue asihlangane khona.
Asihlangane ngone.
Unuphethe.
Ufuna kahle ukuvela. Cela attext yona la Betty on Facebook or on Instagram. Avela abhala ukuthi Zone 6 venue.
If on Instagram, Facebook ikhona.
Ne Facebook ikhona ungitext. If iphume Thursday, if iphume Wednesday or Tuesday or Monday, that will be a good day. Yeah. But you better text us, guys, because we're gonna celebrate my girl's birthday and we better make it special. Ngathi happy birthday. Kusase maji. Happy birthday! Nifake mkutrailer ke. Happy birthday. Ha chomi, ngizolo ukuthi bafake kutrailer masipose Thursday. Happy birthday! You know, so That's content right there.
Okay.
So you're better learn
Maybe
from
plus
that.
a blind date next week.
Ooh, okay, we heard
Ah.
anonymous. That's an idea. Anonymous just gave us an idea to make a blind date for my girl. So you ready for that? You ready for that? Your man better not get angry. Your man better not get angry. It's just a blind date. It ain't nothing serious. Man, can you please forgive her? It ain't serious. It ain't serious. No.
Uzokuwa tu guys.
So what lan?
Uzokuwa strong.
I could
Sampatala.
You better not put your mali.
Okay.
Mara guys, this was beautiful, hey? This was beautiful.
6 seconds.
Yeah.
6 seconds.
Okay, say a little sharp. Okay.
That was good.
Okay. Sharp. Okay, sharp. Marabastad. Okay. Okay, guys, then. Marabastad. English. Street English. Sharp. Mara intanso ka nyo English. Ah, no. Tekan lang. Left line change so ba on nung kanam sa banjani.
Choose the biggest fish in the beach. Can never be me. Can never.
Mbuzu kuthi umnganami next week uzobanjani?
On.
The biggest fish.
So you guys, please tune in, guys. You know, we appreciate you guys a lot. Like, support yenu, siyayifila, siyayibona, it's evident. So what you guys can do, just to continue watching us have these beautiful sessions, you can continue subscribing to hashtag Sithole Hi Mina.
Yimina too.
Yimina. Oh, Yimi. Okay.
Ah, sorry.
Sorry for Englishing it. Okay.
Decorating it.
Sorry. Hashtag Sithole Yimina. Okay. So you guys, you better follow, you better subscribe, you better like, guys, like this video, share, guys, to your friends. Aibo, bazi ukuthi okay, khona indaba ezo, khona indaba ekanje, khona into on enzeka guys. I know you guys are one. Yabo bahlala kanjani? Mnandi.
Okay.
We're gonna see you guys soon.
160.